Hello friends, so I would like to use this time to show you how to do exercises of your hands for Shaolin setting clothes. So basically at home or in the office you can push your clown. So form two hands, bend all fingers, push ahead. You can push quickly, you can push slowly. Just push. You can simply push like this, and you can also add some change. So you push and you grasp, bend your fingers more, you pull towards yourself, and you push again. You shake your hands, and this one also. So fingers movements are very beneficial to your brain. And this is also a strategy for self-defense. For example, I want to push somebody there, a guy there. When my fingers touch his body, he will give me opposite power. He will resist like this. So I will use this resistance, grasp his clothes, drag to myself, and then automatically that guy will resist. He will pull back. I will use this power pull back. I will push again. So that guy will probably fall down. So push, grasp, pull towards yourself, and push again. So So this is very useful exercise. You can do every day, at any time, anywhere. So you do not need very big place, and you do not need to find a very big time. So it's very simple. Show you again. Push, grasp, pull, push again. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.